Good evening, guys. Please open your camera so let us see each other if you are comfortable. It's always good to see like in each other's face. Hi guys, good evening and please open your camera. Let us see each other. Hi Debashish. Hi Ram Babu.
Shibram sir, hi.
Hi Abhishek.
How are you?
I'm good.
Great. Sir, how did you get this background? This is looking fantastic, no?
Yes, this is a virtual background.
Oh, wow. How do you get this?
See, I have a green screen behind this,
Okay.
and you normally normally you can get all the predefined what do you say backgrounds like where you see a bridge and all this stuff, but that doesn't look real, right?
But this is looking very real and very nice, no?
Yeah, thank you.
Great, sir.
Hi Sanjay ji.
Hello everyone.
Hello, how are you? Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Hi Shahul, good to see you here.
Hi, Shibram.
Satyam, good to see you.
Thank you.
Please open your cam. Hi Raman. Deepak, good to see you here. Sharif, good to see you. Hi Deepak. Deepak, I'm seeing Deepak after before March 16th we met, right? Deepak, please unmute yourself. Deepak, unmute yourself.
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've unmuted.
yeah.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Correct. So I think 4 months
Yeah.
almost.
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Okay, guys, we'll just wait for 2 minutes and we will start today's session. So while other people are joining, let me hear from you. What comes to your mind when you think of profit? Okay, what is a profit according to you? Let us see. One by one, you can unmute yourself while others, please keep yourself muted. Yeah, let us start with Rambabu. What is profit for you?
Hello.
Yeah, your idea of profit.
Yeah, profit idea from my side. I never just read what is exactly the definition of profit. If I from my knowledge, the profit would be um, you know excluding ROI, what comes at the end.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what
Whatever
whatever the
comes
effort.
home, whatever comes
Yes.
home, whatever
Yeah,
stays in
whatever
your
comes
account.
on.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Fine. Sanjay,
Excluding
okay.
what
Oh,
we spend. Yeah. Yes.
yes. Sanjay ji, what is your definition of profit? Idea of profit, not definition. We are not getting into bookish knowledge, right? We are in a live workshop. Sanjay ji, आपका क्या ख्याल है? What is profit?
I think profit is return on your intentions. कि आपकी intentions क्या है, कितना सीखने की और उसको कितना implement करते हो आप अपने काम में.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Okay. Abhishek, what is your idea of profit? You unmute yourself, and then once you are done, please mute yourself.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Sir, according to me, profit is like if I'm spending like say 100 and I'm getting in return 110. That is my profit, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Shahul, what is your idea of profit?
More than a break even.
Okay. Short and sweet. Deepak?
Yeah, for me, it's apart from all the regular expenses, whether it's recurring or non-recurring, whatever I can earn, revenue minus all the expenses is the profit. It's the simple thing.
Right, right. Satyam?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Please tell me some new ideas. Like, revenue minus expenses is profit. That is the simplest. If you have something else, please tell me.
Okay, the profit is like if I have invested something XYZ amount, and from that amount, if I'm getting something more,
Okay.
then that will be the profit.
Okay. Great. Sharif, are you there? Just a second, I'll help other people getting in. Just a second, guys. I have not received any mail yet. Okay. Just a second. Just give me 30 seconds, guys. Let me share the link. Let me help other participants. Meanwhile, think of it. Okay, so approval. Just a second. Some people are waiting for approval. Okay. Just a second, guys. Okay, anyone else wants to talk about what is profit for you? Please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Devashish.
In my view, the profit means the extra chunk of money which helped me to scale my business to further.
Excellent point, Devashish. Thanks for bringing this in. Hi, Karan.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Ashwin.
Hi, Shivram. 1 minute.
Ashwin is the guy who was the first to register to this workshop. Ashwin, it started with you and it is going well. And thanks for the trust. Like, you registered the moment it was, floated. So thank you for that. And it started on a very good note.
Hi, Shivaram.
Hi, Karan. Good to see you.
What's up?
All well, all well. We are discussing about what is profit for you. So let's hear from Karan.
All right. So for customers or for me myself?
For you, for you, for you.
All right. Profit for me is having high ticket customers. Simple.
Okay,
Cool.
great, great, great. Ashwin, what is
From
profit for you?
international, not Indian.
Yes, yes. What is profit for you, Ashwin?
Profit for me, it's meeting my goals.
Okay, right. Okay, I think we are 20 people are here. Some other people will join. Hi Ayaz, hi Sumita ji. Whoever can open their camera, please open. Okay, let's take this example. Let's get started, guys. We are 10 minutes past our meeting time. Let's say, like, you buy a broadband connection from Airtel. You purchase a Dish TV, right? So they don't ask you anything upfront, okay, and they don't charge you for the modem or something, right? So, and they give you a connection free of cost, and they, let's say they give you a what do you say, a device worth 3,000 rupees, and you pay them, like, let's say 500 rupees. So their profit goal is long term. They don't want one time profit, and they want, regular profit from you. So profit can be two steps. One thing is long term profit and short term profit. So we have to be very clear what kind of profit we want from our marketing campaign. So if that is clear, accordingly everything else will revolve around that. So if you want short term profit, you want to sell a t-shirt, that game is different. Like Karan said, if he wants international clients and wants continuous revenue from them, that has a different goal, right? So that has to be specific. And now let's see what are the other things which defines profit. Devashish, I think, said that which keeps his business going, right? He wants to invest that and keep, like, scaling up your business. So let's say, like, you are driving a bike. Let my definition of profit: you are driving a bike, okay, you go from first gear to second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Fifth gear, when you are there, you are at 80 speed. Do you stop the accelerator? You don't stop, right? If you stop the accelerator, what will happen? The bike will stop. Even if you don't apply a brake, let's say, it's, let's not and understand, brake is like an external factor, or somebody is pulling you back, but nobody is pulling you back. You are not applying any brake. But if you just stop the accelerator, your bike will stop. Businesses are like that. If you are not growing, your business will stop, right? So you need to have a growth mindset first of all, and profit is something which keeps the business growing. You may say that, yeah, corona happened, some external factor happened, this kind of things happen, okay, but ultimately business, see, when you understand business, nobody starts a business for 3 months. In business, the first principle is going concern principle, that it will go on and on. Even if somebody buys your business from you, even if you sell your business also, it has to go on. Like, you have seen companies who are 200-year-old, 300-year-old, and legacy, people are carrying that legacy also. So let us assume that our business will also go on and on and on, right? So profit mindset is important. I will brief you. Today is all about intro and setting up a stage. Next 7 days we'll go with hardcore content. The learning management system will be there, uh, videos will be there, we'll do live exercise, we will see case studies, we'll discuss your thing, we will have homework for you, we'll give you worksheet, we'll give you checklist. And next 7 days you will be actually working on some lead funnel, to be very precise. And we will start with the actual stuff. Today what I want to do is set up the growth positive, and to be precise, profit mindset. So what kind of profit we need? Let me clarify what I want to do. What is my profit of doing this workshop? I'm running an agency, doing well. Few of the participants know I'm doing well. I have a profitable business. Why I am doing this workshop? My objective of doing this workshop is do this workshop twice a month, have 20 participants only in this workshop. Few of them, okay, 20 participants are there, some extra are there, but they are industry expert. I wanted them to be here. Karan is here to share his knowledge and learn from me. So Saurabh is there to learn like share some inputs, and also learn from us. So we learn from each other. So what happens is, while I'm talking to you, talking about your case studies, if I'm facing you are telling me a new problem to be solved, that is a learning for me also. My first profit is that annually 480 people I'll be meeting, monthly 2 workshops. So each workshop has 20 people. 12 into 40 is 480. So I'm meeting 480 business owners or marketers, and I'm learning from them. So what happens during the process is, let's say Sanjay has a problem and Karan is dealing with a similar problem. When we solve Sanjay's problem, Karan's problem is already solved. Okay. When Abhishek is facing a problem with Facebook or ad, or ad manager, or conversion issue, or profitability issue, or ad getting rejected, what kind of image I should see, there'll be, what will happen is, during the next 7 days we will come up with so many problems, and while solving we will learn from each other. That is why we have a group, right? So wise people learn from others mistake. Right? So we are so 20 32 odd wise people in this group, and all varied, like let's say, somebody is into real estate, somebody is into yoga, somebody is into healthcare, so many things. So I'm going to ensure that this is going to be a very good journey, and it is worth your time and money invested. So without any delay, let us start. 7 to 8 daily. Yes, recording will be there, but I will not encourage you to skip this. Please invest the 7 days. This is my commitment, not promise. This is my commitment. Use it, you will get multiplier effort, and every time you use this, you'll get better effort. Every time this funnel will become better. Karunanidhi, you don't have cam, no problem, but we would love to see you. Sometimes send us your selfies so that other people see you also. See, when you see somebody, there is a connect actually, you get some energy. Ashwin can take a session on that sometimes for us, all of us. What do you say, Ashwin? Unmute, please.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Ashwin has have attended his session, and he's a fantastic guy. He keeps you bounded, bounded through his sessions. So please share sometimes. Yes, this is also a platform, guys, where let's say Deepak is a software guy and he's also a corporate photographer. Shyam is also a software guy, also a photographer. So we have varied type of people. We can help each other. This is a community, right? छोटा सा community अपना बन गया है, right? Okay, let's get into business, guys. And I'll share 5 minutes. I have a short presentation. I will not share something which is boring for you, but let us understand. This is my understanding. This is not a definition, but this helps me growing, and this might also help you growing. So let's have a profit mindset before we actually start the workshop from tomorrow. And I'll give you 2 fantastic tools which keeps me and my, I have shared it with all my customers, like in 150 plus customers. I've shared with all of them, and this is a fantastic tool. I'll share 2 tools in the end. So steps to profit. These are the few steps we should have to get profit. Let's say I will just focus on my video. Okay, focus on my video. Let me pin it if it is possible. Pin video. You're able to see me? So we have to come out of this trying mindset. Let's say if I ask you, can you achieve X amount of revenue this month? What you will say? Most of the people say, I will try my best. Right? How many of you have seen that? How many of you do that, or you have seen that? What is the common reply? I will try. Just type yes if you are able to connect with me. They will say, I will try. So I'll say that try this. Try to pick this phone. So what will happen if you show this phone to somebody and ask that, okay, try to pick this phone? What will say? They will pick up. But trying is something like you are okay, I'm trying to pick this phone. I'm trying to pick this phone. That is trying. When you do this, you have already picked up, right? So trying is a waste of time. So if you use that word also, that is not going to work. So stop using the word trying, and half of your problem will be sorted out and things will start happening. Because You have to be a clearing. You have to be open to miracles that happens to us. We started our ads on Wednesday or Thursday, and we got 6 registration through ads. Few people who knew me already had already registered. So we discussed in our team, okay, can we achieve all 20 through ads? And we said yes, and it happened. You won't believe, last moment also somebody had joined our thing. I think, let me see whether he's there or not. So you should not say no to yourself, you should be yes. So now what are the things? So another important thing, this will also change your mindset for sure, guys. How much effort, this is, let us do this exercise. How much effort is required to get 100% result? Let us see. Just reply how many percentage of effort is required to get 100% result. 100%, okay. Just type in the comment box 200%, 100%, 100%, 200 to get 100. I have smart peoples in this group. 150%, okay. I have smarter people, 3 times dedication. I think, like, I'm having a fantastic batch. Sometimes people say that I am smart enough, I am productive, I am, I'm a smart guy, and if I give 50% effort, no need to work hard. You just need to getting things done. So what happens is, sometimes people think that if I do this, it will happen. Let's say you are downloading a software, like, Karan is a gamer. So if he is downloading a 3 GB software and it stops at 99, don't tell me about download manager, Karan. Let's say, like, there is no download manager and 2.9 GB has downloaded and power goes off or internet goes off, that will not work, right? So 100% is required. Madhur, 20% is not enough. When you give 20%, nothing will. See, if you are downloading a software and 99% is it has downloaded and it stops, means it is 0 result. So 100% effort for 100% result. You might be talking about productivity. You might be talking about, you can get 100% done in 20% effort. Probably you are more effective, more efficient, and more productive. But effort, whatever is the checklist, has to be done. So efforts means checklist. Yes, yes. So that is the second thing I wanted to tell. 100% is required to get 100%. Smart goals is important. Smart goals is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. So when your goal is clear and it is smart, I'll give you a smart sheet. Then it is going to work. I will move to that. Growth mindset is required. Nobody wants to be comfortable. If you are comfortable in your business, you will never grow. That accelerator formula still works for this. What skills you need? So either you can acquire that skill or your team should have that skill. What tools you should have? What kind of manpower you should have? So whether you should use your own experience or getting it outsourced, right? So smart goal is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. Okay. So let us see what is a smart goal. Let me share that. If you note it down, that say things, there is a saying that if you note it down, it becomes reinforced in your mind. So let us see what is a smart goal. Let's say if I want to do better in life, is not a smart goal. I want to be rich is not a smart goal. Okay. I want to do well in business is not a smart goal. So like profit has short-term profit and long-term profit, goals has to be short-term and long-term. So let us try to understand. I had asked smart goals, right? Can anybody open their mic and will like to share their smart goals? Hi, Abhishek.
Hi.
So anybody would like to share their smart goals?
Sure.
Let us see.
Can I share?
Yes, please.
Ashwin.
Yeah,
So,
Ashwin, please.
For me, it's to get 1,000 people into the top of my funnel, and
Okay.
to get 10 sales finally in my high ticket item every month.
Okay. So let me note it down for Ashwin. So specific, it has to be specific. When there are number attached to your goals, it is specific. So Ashwin says 1,000 people,
The top of the funnel.
top of the funnel.
And to get 10 plus, you know, I'm not complaining about the plus, but
Okay.
minimum 10 people.
Minimum
into
10
my
plus.
high
10
ticket
plus
business.
sales. Okay. I will make it more specific. At the rate, how much?
It's 1,22,000.
1.2 per seats, right? Per
Yeah,
per
1
sale
per sale.
or total?
No, per sale. So
1.2 per ticket, right?
per ticket, yeah.
Okay.
And if I get 1,000 people in the top of the funnel, that itself is worth, I don't know, that itself is worth 25 lakhs, I think.
Okay. So this is the broader goal. We'll break it down to specify all the SMART goals. Okay. Let me just merge this. So 100 people to the top of the funnel at the rate 1.2 lakhs per ticket. By when?
Every month.
Every month. Okay. Month. Okay. So let us see what is this specific part of this. 1,000 people. Okay. Top of the funnel. Get 10 sales. That is specific. 1.2 per ticket. Every month we'll make more specific. Starting when?
Starting August.
Starting August. Yes. That is more specific. And did you see you added the realistic part of it? Because you have mentally prepared that July I will prepare.
Yes,
and by
yes.
August it should happen, right?
Yes, yeah.
Now, specific measurable, is it achievable?
Yes.
Okay, so what we need to see, specific, measurable because we have numbers attached to it. Achievable, yes. Realistic,
Yes, definitely.
why that 1.2 came? Because probably you have seen people paying,
Yeah.
you have seen people, making that much of money, right?
Yes.
And time bound, that Ashwin has a set a time that I will do my homework in July, and by August I should be minting that kind of sales. So this exercise we need to do with ourselves. Okay, once this is set, what we need to do is break it down to weekly task, daily task, and maintain our progress. So I'll be sharing this sheet in the group. Don't worry about this. Whatever tools, whatever sheets we are using, I'll tell about that. So this is more clear. So instead of I want to grow my business, now Karan, if you let us take your goal. If you want, if you specify that I will get a 1.5 K retainer client from Australia into education niche, that is more specific. So you will work towards that, right? So that looks more sexier, right?
That is more quantifiable. So then I
Exactly.
know that what I have to do exactly to reach there.
Yeah, exactly. You will do your homework. You will do your homework, and you will focus more on education niche. People who are staying in
True.
Australia, business owners in Australia. So the
Yeah.
more clear you are, the better results you will get.
True.
So let us do this exercise. I will share this sheet at the end of this session. Moving on to the next part. So this makes sense, guys. Just say yes. If it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, don't try it. I'm sure this is
Sivaram sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
Just want to know what is a funnel or tunnel which you are talking about? It is the targeting to the audience or what exactly? Can you just tell?
Funnel is a process. Okay. Let us clear, because this came in.
Yeah.
All of us has been into schools, right?
Right.
Ashwin has already seen this example. Ashwin, you can take a that in schools we had this water filter example, right? How to make a water filter at home. Every school has that.
Yes.
If you have a contaminated water, what happens in the top of the layer? There will be larger pebbles, patthar, kankar bolte hai na. Then there will be a little smaller size of pebbles or the small stones, you can say. Then there will be sand. Then there will be cotton. At the end there will be charcoal. So when you put a dirty water, ab ganda pani dal doge, so first bada particle, all the dirt particles will be filtered out. Then in the next level, more finer dirts or particles will be filtered out. Then there will be sand, which will clear all the particles. Then there is cotton, which will clear some more particles, and charcoal will remove the color and smell of that water. So that is a water filter. That is a funnel, basically basic simplest funnel which we can understand.
Yeah.
Same way
Good.
we
Yeah.
same way we expose, or we advertise our product to the entire audience. So it has good,
Okay.
bad, ugly, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful type of audiences. Okay, it has oxygen, it has carbon dioxide also. So you step by step you filter it, and what comes out of the funnel is pure amrit. Okay. so
Okay.
so 1.7 lakhs people saw the ad for me, and this 32 people are the result of my funnel. Now when I say profit
Okay.
funnel, I have long term goals also, like out of that 7,000 people saw the landing pages, I will remarket them. Okay, जैसे कि you recycle them, you market them. Some people didn't have time, so that is how we make more profit. There is no wastage in this funnel. That's why it is a Facebook profit funnel. Okay, I hope it is clear, guys. Thanks for asking. Actually, I didn't
Yes,
want to
yes.
make this boring, so I'm trying to connect with you so that we get a positive vibe about the whole stuff, and we go with a positive mindset, right? So that is the first part. Let's move to the next part of this. Smart goals is fine. I'll give you this smart sheet. Now, this is a $1 million tip, guys. I have got it 3 years back, and this helped me. Let me quickly explain what it is. This is a beautiful thing called lean canvas. Okay, and if you fill this up, you will understand. You are able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you fill this up, you will realize that how well you know or don't know your business, own business, not my business. And you should ideally do it for each of your product, each of your services, each of your courses, each of your let's say anything. If you have 5 product, you should do it for this. If you have 5 prices, like one product have 5 versions of that product, or 5 variants of that product, you should do it. So let's take an example. Who wants to volunteer to discuss about their business? We will set up this 1-page business plan which will change the way you think about your product or service. Also, it will help you for marketing. This sheet will directly go to your ad. This is an input for your ad. Who wants to volunteer?
Yeah, I want to.
Name please.
Satyam.
Yeah, Satyam, please tell me. So what is your target audience? Who are your target audience?
Okay, as I am into photography business, so mostly the clients are like either someone is going to get married.
Okay, who is going to get married? Okay.
And next thing is if someone's birthday or any
Birthday,
anniversary, things are coming.
anniversary, life event basically.
Yeah, life events. Yes.
Okay, then.
And yeah, these are the 2 most important.
Anyone who is looking for professional photography, if you want to generalize, okay, or photo shoot, you are telling, no? What is that? Give me one more category.
Portfolio shoots. Portfolio shoots.
Portfolio, yeah, okay. Deepak will relate to this. So what is your customer's top 3 problem?
So customers problem is, first thing I have seen, like sometimes from customer end or from my end?
Customer's end.
Reachability.
Reachability or availability?
Yeah, availability, I can say.
Okay. Availability. Okay. Then what next? Price. Price.
Yes.
Professionalism.
Yes. Price.
Professionalism probably.
Yeah.
Professional output.
Yeah.
So these are the top 3 problems you want to address, and you should have a solution for that. So you are reachable online also, like your solution for that is, if somebody is searching, you are available. Okay.
Okay.
You are omnipresent. Let's say, like, you are there on Facebook, you are there on Instagram, if you are there on Google search, price, okay, affordable, but not cheap. Be specific. Okay.
Yes.
You have to tell it to yourself first. Okay, affordable but not cheap.
Not cheap.
That is my company's slogan also, like, affordable web and digital marketing solutions. But if somebody says it is affordable, is not cheap. So professional output, you show it in like, your solution is you can show you can have a portfolio.
Yeah, portfolio details. Yes.
If you have a portfolio, see, professional output is not in delivery, like, it's not like, tangible. Unless people don't see, they will not see, they will not understand the tangibility of that, right?
Right.
So you are solving that problem. So existing alternative is your local studios.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Existing alternative is also your competitor. Okay.
Competitor. Right.
Then what are your revenue streams? Revenue streams is basically a medium, like, online, offline, something like that. So if it is completely offline, you can just say complete. For me, let's say, like, online selling, consulting, all this kind of thing.
Okay, for me as well, it's like online as well as offline.
Okay, online, offline.
Yeah,
okay.
Both.
Unique value proposition. Why they should not say no to you? Go as a direct आया है. You have to find that unique thing for yourself.
The unique for me is the deliverable, because it's like one day deliver for me, because if the shoot is done today, so by next day morning we deliver all the photos and everything.
Okay, quick delivery.
Yes.
Then committed. You are telling that your competitors are not delivering even if they take money.
Exactly.
Okay, so you can list down. Okay. Channels, how you will reach out to your customers? Facebook,
Facebook,
Insta, okay, Google My Business,
Google, yes,
okay, Google, let's say Google, okay,
Google, okay.
High level concept, okay, high level concept is something like a what do you say, comparison, what people call you, how people compare you to. For example, Flickr, what do you say? Okay, Hotstar is the Netflix of India. Okay, so when people see or see, what do you say? When people think about your business, they will have something in their mind. They will, like, have an image of something. Okay, it may not be the exact name, but this is an example. Okay, I had seen a very bad example, like, Bangladesh का शाहरुख खान किसी को बोलते थे. Even in my post somebody said digital शाहरुख खान of digital marketing. मेरा एक friend comment किया था और गरीबों का शाहरुख खान भी लिखा था. So something like that. So they have something in mind about your product or service. They have an image. So that analogy basically about your product and service. So that way you can do that. क्या बोलते हैं, when I started a software company in Bhubaneswar in 2002, they used to call me the guy who came back from Bangalore and started a software company. So Bangalore software, these two keywords were attached to me, and that gave me a good mileage initially. So something like that. Okay,
then I can say, like, the guy came from Goa.
oh no, software engineer turned photographer.
Yeah,
right?
we can mention that one. Yes.
You need to pay me a separate consultancy fee for this. Okay. Key matrices, this is important. Key matrices for your business should be, let's say, for a website, it will be number of visitors, number of people who are filling up a form, number of returning visitors, number of people who are coming versus number of people who are purchasing. Okay, currencies, positioning about what current? Can you be specific?
The last conversation which you had, right, where you were saying about the analogy.
Okay,
like
okay.
How
okay.
you perceive,
how you
position
perceive
yourself
yes,
in the
yes.
market.
How you want to be perceived, actually. Yes.
Yeah. So you when you position yourself in a certain manner, then people perceive you.
Yeah.
You know how you position according to that.
Correct.
how you
correct.
want to be known, right?
How you want to be known. Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So if you fill this up, do you understand, like, do you see that, once you fill this up for each of your product, you will have a better understanding of your product. It's not just, a product. Now, if you see, like, if you understand marketing, your audience is defined here. Your ad copy image is defined here. Okay. You can study your competitors here. Your strategy is defined here. Your what do you say, USP, what is that, MVP, sorry, USP is defined here, and this is part of your strategy again. High level concept is basically you can pitch that product or that service in using that keywords, and when you know your revenue and cost, your funnel is done. Sounds interesting?
Yeah.
Do it 5 times, you will come up with new ideas to pitch your product. So it's knowing your own product, knowing your own business better. Sounds interesting, guys. How many of you were aware of this, or how many of you find this interesting? Okay.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Okay, this thing is, okay, just very simple. Yes, very simple, and believe me. Okay, bulb on Abhishek. This is a new term, Abhishek. There are two Abhisheks here. Abhishek Oberoi. Oh, interesting. So this is cool. This kind of tools, makes our life easier. This is done by a guy called Ash Moria, Lean Canvas, and he's a consultant. Actually, he launched this Lean Canvas, and Lean marketing is not part of that thing, but Lean Canvas he has launched, and it has changed the, like, the business of many people, like, for better, of course. And people use this again and again. Every time you revisit, you try filling up this sheet. Now you'll get new insights for your thing. I do it for each audience set. I do that. Okay, if I'm targeting this audience, what are the USPs? What are the problems? Let's take example of a real estate thing, right? You can create it for bachelor, you can create it for newly married couple, you can create it for middle-aged people, you can create it for people above 50, you can create it for people above 60. Every set has a different problem, different approach to the product or service. And when you do that, you understand. You cannot get into their mind, but you can predict, you can assume, you can forecast, or you can at least simulate what they're thinking, right? So I'm going to share this sheet also. You can still find it yourself, but I'll share it. I'll make your task easier. Moving on, guys. So Lean Canvas can help you plan better. 2 more slides before, like, I end my presentations, and we will be interacting more. So growth mindset is every day we should have a growth mindset. Every day we should become better. We should create something new every day. Create something new can be a process, can be a piece of content, can be a plan, an idea, something. We should deliver something. Deliver something is like, sorry, I'm sorry. When you say deliver something, you should complete something, deliver to yourself, deliver to your client, deliver to your platform, write a new piece of content and deliver it in the social media channel so that it goes for distribution. Create something new and deliver. It should not be to yourself. Okay. Sometimes, like, we talk to our customers to understand how is it going. So what you deliver? An assurance that, yeah, my service provider is really concerned about me. So just by talking to them, you are delivering something, right? You are delivering a feel good factor. You are delivering an assurance, right? Moving on, plan something. So this is a mantra actually. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Very simple, very powerful. So if you are failing to plan means if you forget to plan, if you neglect to plan, if you don't plan, you are bound to fail. You are planning to fail. You are preparing for, you are a like, an opening for a, like, failure. So planning is important, right? Just a second, guys. Let me have not seen my group. Okay, everybody is in, no problem. As a business owner, as a marketer, what are the skills we should have? Storytelling, how to explain. Some people have brilliant product and service, they don't know how to explain, right? So it need not be like, in a text format. You can do a video, you need not do it yourself, but storytelling is important. You should know how to convince the utility of your product and service. Copywriting is a good skill, you should acquire that. Visualization is a problem where many people fail. Like, let's say you want to let's take the example of Mastercard. Okay, Mastercard or Visa, they are selling credit card, but in the advertisement they don't show you the credit card only, right? They show you some emotional stuff which makes you feel good, and ultimately at the end it comes to the utility of that. So how you visualize your advertisement, creative or utility of your product is important. See, and how to learn this? Suppose you don't have this, the best way to start is to copy and start writing. You should not postpone it at no cost. Postponing something is not going to happen. I'm trying to write my ad copy, is not going to happen. Either I write 5 times and fail, it's okay. I'm trying to do something is a waste of time. I said, okay, you keep trying. I'm trying to go and I go. Right? Trying is a waste of time. Can you go and tell somebody, I'm trying to love you? I said, okay, you keep trying. Right? You don't go and say that, I'm trying to fall in love with you. I said, ठीक है, करता रहे बेटा. Right? So actually we are very practical. जहाँ पे try
This
word
example
नहीं,
is very good.
huh?
This example is very good.
See, what happens is, if you ask somebody for a help, if you ask, let's say I need money, I'll call 5 friends. Whoever is saying trying to will never give you. Okay? Trying to matlab, I have excuses for you. So when I say I am trying for myself, that is also excuse, right? If you ask a friend and if he wants to help, okay, he will say, okay, let me check how much I have in my bank account. I don't have, but let me check with my another friend. Those kind of friends will actually give you 5 or 25 or 500. But whoever says let me try bro, bola to okay, that guy is gone. Right? So no trying. So visualization is important and rational. Like, we should be realistic. The communication which we pass on to other people is realistic. Customer centric is having empathy, understanding their problem, and really providing something which is useful for them. We may be like, we may use a clickbait, we may use an offer and be pushy and sell some of the product services. But in long run, if there is no empathy about your customers, if there is no empathy about whether they are getting value or not, long run you will not be successful. All the good businesses provide value more than what they charge us, right? Customer centric mindset is important, and that is what will make you different. Last slide before we get into a discussion. I hope this session makes sense. Yeah, what tools we should have? Why should have tools? To automate things. We should save your time and money. Things should happen error free. Ease of use for you and your customer. I forgot to mention for you and your customer. For example, you have a chatbot in your Facebook or in your website. Even if you are sleeping, your customer can leave their message, right? If you fill up a lead form and mail goes automatically, you save a lot of time. There is an example where one of my customers, they used to generate so many leads, 5,000 plus leads, and there were 3 guys replying to mail. We got your mail, here is our brochure. So at the moment I went, I said, okay, I will save. It was close to 1100 some minutes, 1100 minutes per day. So 3 people's salary was going for that. Dear customer, here is the brochure. They used to do that, for God's sake. So what do you expect from that? Instead of that, you buy a $25 tool and it sends you reply automatically, right? So tools should make our life easier. It should be, and when it is automated, it is error free. It is easier for your customers also, right? So this kind of tool should help us. In our funnel we will talk about this kind of tools. Manpower is very important. So for specific role for specific results, what you are doing, what your team is doing, what third party is doing is very very important. How you delegate, what you delegate is important. If you are delegating, you should give them autonomy. Okay, otherwise giving them the key and there is no fuel in that bike. Okay, you give a bike to your team member and it doesn't have fuel. So if you don't give autonomy, don't delegate, you would do it yourself, slog for extra 5 hours. Involvement is important. The whole team should work. I talk about marketing, like always there is a clash between marketing and sales. If you are a solopreneur, you are saved from that. You cannot blame that sales didn't happen because of that. Marketing guy didn't do, sales guy didn't do, that is not going to happen. But if you have a team, there is always a clash. That okay, you got wrong people to the funnel, wrong people are asking queries, wrong kind of leads we are getting. Then this right. Okay,
Yes.
Ram is
Most
like
of it.
yeah. And sales team will say that okay, you got so many, you did a campaign and you got so many people, they didn't have budget only, man, what can I do? So this is a clash, right? This is also a problem of Facebook leads.
Sales people mostly, their perception, I mean, not like, as marketing people think.
Correct. So there has to be a bonding. It's like an husband wife.
Yeah.
So the family tree will grow if both sales and marketing is going. Same thing. We should have both the mindset. If you are a solopreneur, it should be aligned. If you are a marketer for a company, you must have make them aware that your sale has to be robust. Otherwise, I have an example, peculiar example, that they used to get 500 leads every day and they used to follow up only 100. So the rest 400 is waste even if they are qualified, because they are not following them up. So there was no sales activity. He was happy with getting the sales. He thought 500 leads equal to 500 sales. No. So that cohesion between sales marketing should be there. You should acquire some skills, sales skills as well.
Yes.
My journey started, this is interesting, few people who know me already have heard that. I started my journey as a software guy in 98 when I was still studying. 2002, 2000 I got into a job. 2002 I quit my company. I didn't know how to sell. Thankfully, software was at boom that time, so I used to develop software. Slowly I started a company in 2002. Till 2015 I learned marketing. Initially I didn't need marketing because the market competition was not there. But slowly, how I learned marketing is like by talking to people, by working with marketing companies, MLM companies. 13 I have served 13 MLM companies in my software tenure as a software company owner, and all of them like have done multiple products for me. So there I learned the marketing, how to persuade, all these things those guys taught me. 2017 I got into digital marketing as a full-fledged career. So I changed how I evolved, I want to tell. Initially I started with lead ads 2017. So I started with okay, likes and comments are not enough, you need leads. Okay, level 1 achieved. Then I said okay, leads are not enough, you need sales. That was level 2. Now sales is not enough, you need profit. Because unless I give profit, the person who has hired me as an agency will say that Shivram, this is not working because I spent X money and why thing that did not happen. So I'm paying you, I'm paying for the ads, I have team, I have operation. So unless there is a profit, it is not going to work. And this concept work, I have used it with 6 of my clients, and they are getting benefit. Actually, today morning, one of my clients said that he got a franchisee converted to only without without a webinar, without what do you say, one-to-one meeting. Of course, Zoom calls are there. There is no one-to-one meeting here, and there was no discount offer, and he converted a 3 lakhs franchisee from Kolkata. This guy is sitting in Mumbai. So see it's like so much of happiness he got, and this happened because of this funnel. That guy had filled up a lead form, I think February or something, I'll have to cross check, and he converted now in the middle of this crisis. So something has happened in between, right? So that guy we didn't stop remarketing, we didn't lose touch with that lead, and things happened, right? So this is the power of funnel. This is how you get profit. Whatever you had invested 4 months back and did some engagement with your customer gave fruit to you. So long-term profit, short-term profit. What is the life cycle of your funnel? You have to understand. Moving on to the last slide, guys. This cohesion is about different team member. When you should outsource, when it saves time and money, like tools. If others can envision, if others cannot envision, then outsource. Like, suppose you have a team member. Sorry, this is wrong actually. If others cannot, if you others, it has to be don't outsource. Actually, if you are trying to explain something and the other guy do not understand that concept, don't outsource. If it is too confidential, don't outsource, and never outsource sales. Never outsource sales. When I say that, sales is very tricky, and as a business owner, you are more passionate about sales. So you will say that I should not have a sales team or what. You should have a sales team, but get like-minded people who are envisioning yourself, you who has the vision for for the company, and who are actually your sales marketing guys, are your actually even if they are employees or team members, they are partner in your company. They make or break. So have people who are as compassionate as you, as for sales. Okay, so these are the thing I wanted to present, guys. Yes, profit is fuel, correct, Karan. So I wanted to present this today. I took a bit long, I think, but I hope I was not boring, and you didn't feel sleepy. And let me hear from you what you feel about last 45 minutes, guys. Anyone would like to share feedback? Darpan is the last guy to come to this batch today. He's the last minute. He got the DDL style na pura दौड़ते हुए आया. Darpan, can you open your cam? Okay, Sharif.
It was great today. I enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, Karan, thanks for being here, man.
मजा आया यार.
मजा आएगा
I mean, the
पक्का.
different perspectives.
Yes.
And
yes.
the goal thing was very, very important. Because that is the base on which everything is built in the future.
Karan, try this lean canvas and your campaigns will turn around, man. And I do this exercise with my clients also.
Yeah, that sheet I will take it up and I will keep filling.
I will share it. I will share it. Whatever I use, I will share here. Share it.
Great.
I love the you are already connected to me. I don't encapsulate or hide any knowledge which is useful to me or anyone else. I'm the first one to share, and I will do that.
If you're not following Shivaram on Instagram, do that right now, because you're missing out on great content which you can't.
Okay. Let me show. Let me show.
Yeah, man. Like, that needs to be done, man.
Yes. Let me share it with my community. Okay. This is my.
Param.com.
Oh yes. Let me show you. Yes.
Right.
I met Karan few days back. We have not personally met, even if we are in Bangalore, but we keep I have great friends, and we keep inspiring. Abhishek is a great friend. Some other people who have joined this workshop will be joining us soon. So this is my Instagram, shibaram.com. And let me share it in the group. This is on Instagram. I'll share it, guys, anyway. And what I am doing is I'm doing a 365 days, 365 tips series on marketing and sales, and every day I keep sharing about it. It's a 1 minute, 2 minute video, and just watch that, and you will get something that is a commitment. I invest 1 hour of my time to do this. So I take 15-20 minutes to think what I need to write. Then I create a video. Then I give it to my design team. They create the sliders. Then I compile this video, put the captions on, and I submit. So every day I'm investing 1 hour to do this, and this has helped me a lot. So why I am doing this? I need to connect to more number of people. So I am doing my homework, right? I'm having a long-term vision that, you know, if in a year, okay, Roshan is here. Okay, Roshan, good to see you. Roshan is a SEO expert. Good to see you, Roshan. So I'm doing my homework because I'm envisioning a 3 years plan or 5 years plan or 10 years plan. So I'm investing 1 hour of my life every day, guys, just for this 1.5 minute video or 2 minute video. Why? I'm looking for a long-term profit. I need to connect, right? I'm not being greedy, but Karan knows, or you know, many of my friends knows that, you know, we can make money by different ways in digital marketing without working also. But this is better for me. This is a better way to connect because I'm meeting 480 people in a year. That is my goal. First week is done. Out of my 365 days, 365 tips series, I have completed 23 days. And I have made it to a point that, you know, I will not sleep without completing a video. And that I'm maintaining, I feel more empowered. When you are in integrity, Ashwin, you need to take a session for us, man. That is a request. We need more,
Okay.
you know, vibes like this. And anyone else, like, you know, Karan, you guys are invited to share good things about the community. Abhishek is a very good empathetic
Sure.
marketer. And Abhishek is a very good empathetic marketer, and you can see how simple he is. If his smile is so innocent. uh, so I have good
Yep.
people in my community. See what I understand. No, we only this is my father had told me. We only earn people in life. If you have good people in your life, you are rich. If you have bad people, you are poor. Poor in terms of money, health, mental health, physical health,
True.
corporate health, whatever health you say. So
Sir,
if you
can
have
you just come over once again? I didn't get you. What did you say about that?
हम जिंदगी में ओनली आदमी कमाते हैं, इंसान कमाते हैं. Okay, we only earn people. We only earn people. If you have good people in your life, okay, you feel you are richer. Richer doesn't
Good
mean
people,
only
good
money.
relationship.
Not only money. Like you know, mental health, physical health, financial health, emotional health, spiritual health. So many things are there.
Yeah.
So that's all I wanted to share today, guys. Tomorrow onwards, it will be more business. But yes, this is where I wanted to start. If it felt boring, I'm sorry. You must have come up with a expectation that, you know, you will learn funnel, but this is what I wanted to set the stage for a highly energetic people because I'm not being greedy, but guys, this is not a profitable business for me to deliver this course. But I'm committed to do this because this is going to help you. Probably I will also make, I don't want to make a loss making thing. Even this course is not loss making for me. I made a small profit. But what I'm looking at is, like, you know, applying this thing. And probably some of you may or may not, you know, work with me as an agency. That is secondary. Okay, but I'm not going to hard pitch you. Neither I'm going to, like, you know, like, you know, hide some information, because I will do that in the agency part. That is my commitment, that, you know, this funnel, whatever I have promised, I will deliver. You can use it yourself. I'm there to help. The community is there to help. Sorry. Second thing is, if you are a business owner, this is going to save money for you because quality of leads will increase. Number one, there will be no wastage. Okay. And see, let's take this example, 1-2 minutes example. Let's say you are getting 1,000 leads, out of which 800 are waste, but your lead cost is less. Let us take this example. Okay, 1,000 leads, 800 are not qualified, and you are wasting 800, let's say 8,000 rupees. But what is a bigger wastage is your sales team will spend time, you will spend time, and that time and money is more costlier, right? So instead of that, I will have 100 leads with a higher cost, but most of them are qualified, right? So that is how you stop the leakages. And what will happen is, if you're getting good leads, your sales team will be motivated. Your sales team will be motivated, right? Normally I have seen that, you know, if your sales team get fake leads, or, you know, not so qualified leads, बोलेंगे सर कैसा लीड दिए हो, कोई भी पिकअप नहीं कर रहा है, कोई कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहा है Nobody is ready to pay. Nobody is have budget. But when you have leads which are ready to convert, your sales team also get motivated. So this is all we will cover in this 7 days. After that we will practice. I have kept a gap of 1 week before I start another batch, so that we have plenty of time for revising things, plenty of things to implement things, plenty of time to understand things. There is a Facebook group, this WhatsApp group is there. I will encourage you not to use the WhatsApp group for anything not other than essential steps will only be discussed. Hello, hi to ho gaya aaj. I think we will see each other in Facebook group also. What we have to do is, first thing is set up a goal for ourselves, set up a profit mindset, either short term or long term. This workshop is a long term profit mindset for me. Okay, you can have short term goals, long term goals, no problem, but clear goals. And then lean canvas is important. Tomorrow onwards we will have very specific things to be achieved. I have a request that do check, do try, not try again, see, this keeps coming, this is a trap. Attempt everything to be completed. If it is not complete, don't worry, but you should not leave it. If it is not complete, try to understand what is stopping you and why you are not able to do. If you need help, ask. If you need anything else, we will try to see. This is so juicy, so addictive, so we will do it. We'll attempt to do it. Okay, let us replace try then attempt, or some better word maybe, but no
Thank
try.
you, brother.
Huh? We'll try to remove the try word. Huh?
Try and keep attempting.
Yeah.
Attempting is same as try, no? You should.
Yeah, correct. We will do it.
Yeah.
Or try until we achieve.
No, we will do it. No try word.
Yeah,
Okay.
we will do it.
Try this.
Yeah.
See, actually, trials are a wrong word. Actually, when people give you for a trial, try this, you are actually using it. 1 month free trial is not a trial. You are actually using it. If you don't use it, you will never buy that product also.
You should call it 1 month free usage.
1 month free usage. Let us say trial is a trial to moh maya hai. 1 month free usage asli word hai na? Okay, how many of you are not comfortable in Hindi, just for my knowledge?
I think most people should be comfortable in Hindi.
No, I think okay, Karunanidhi is not comfortable. So
few only.
yeah. I okay, Shahul is not comfortable in Hindi. Just for my knowledge, guys, this will be delivered in English.
Yes. People from.
Yes. I think many of you, whom I have not interacted personally and came to this workshop, I want to thank you, because you boosted my confidence a lot, and probably my storytelling is powerful. That's why you came into this workshop. So thank you so much for that. And moving on to the process, let us think about your thing. Find out what are the things which are stopping you. What are the skills you should need to do. I'm sharing 3 things for now. This goal setting thing, don't delay it, please. Don't delay it and send it today itself. Okay. All you need to do is open this sheet, make a copy of that. Sorry, not this one. Open this 2 sheet, and all you need to do is make a copy. Then
where is the link?
Link I'm sharing in the WhatsApp group. What you need to do is, it will be there in that learning management platform also from tomorrow onwards. But for today, what you need to do is open the sheet, make a copy, and rename it, and share it to me. If it is not confidential, share it in the group. If it is confidential, send me WhatsApp. I will not encourage one-to-one WhatsApp, and don't ask out of syllabus questions for now, because we will divert from the main goal. But yes, we will be in a community, so we can discuss certain other things also. But let us focus on delivering what we are meant for. Okay, you send me this. I'm sharing my email ID, so you can share that to me. And second thing is, Just a second. Let me share that. Open this sheet. Make a copy of that. So first one
Well,
is this.
Facebook.
First one is this lead canvas template. Second one is this smart goal. Smart goal, if it is confidential, you don't want to share with the other team member, don't share it. But you should have it, and you should have it ready. Then I will share this PPT if you need at all. I don't think you need to have this PPT. What else? That's all, right? So don't delay this. Please do it tonight itself. Continue and carry this energy, this positivity, this profit mindset. And I'm sure, yes, Abhishek, profit funnel is strong. This is what is, see, I was also struggling with my, like, what name I should give. So profit funnel calls me actually. When I say funnel, okay, funnel. Profit funnel, yes. Right? Sandhar Jabardast Jindabad, Karan says, right? So I have my team members here. I would like to introduce Suraj here. Devashish is there. Who else is there from my team? Mujib is there. Jai is there. Samir is there. These are the team members who have helped me set up this funnel. So Samir has just started his digital marketing. Jai has just started. Suraj and Devashish are like, two of my strongest team members. They have helped me in this setting up this funnel, and they will also be helping you and answering your queries related to their area of expertise. That's why I have brought them here. They are also experiencing this process of setting up funnel for 20 different 20 profit minds 20 businesses with profit mindset, and this is going to be a good journey. It will not end just in a week. We'll be there as a community in Facebook, and support wise, as I committed, three months you can actually ask questions related to funnel. I'll be happy to help. Okay, my profit is already achieved. Bringing you to the workshop was my profit. Honestly, guys, I'm not being political or being dramatic, but this is what I wanted to achieve. And I'm like, Ashwin, let's say you are creating a formula for yoga, and if no one is using, what is the fun?
Yeah.
So that is what is my profit. I have successfully got 20 people to implement this and get businesses. So thank you again. So that's all from my side. It's already 1 hour and 15 minutes. Quick feedbacks in one line. If you want to speak or type, both are okay. Sanjay ji.
Great, sir.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Awesome.
Very nice. I'm new to Facebook ads, and I think it will be very beneficial for learning. Yeah.
Great.
From Shivaram.
It will be. I always say, like, when people say that, say inshallah, amen.
Yeah,
So,
I'm an SEO, but Facebook ads didn't get much time, so now I thought you should be, I think, right person that guide me. Thank you
so much. Thank you for the trust. That makes me more empowered. Sanjay ji, feedback, quick feedback.
Great session.
What is the takeaway for you?
That is something I was looking for. We are not able to convert leads into profit business.
Yes, profit. So what is the key takeaway for you? What is the आज का income क्या है?
That is just for introduction for me, and I am excited for the coming
आज
session.
का कुछ तो income हुआ होगा.
Yeah, goal setting is very important.
Yes.
That is the most important. If we are here, then what will be the final result?
Yes.
Outcome out.
हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ तो मुनाफा होना चाहिए ना.
होना चाहिए. But today is a profitable day.
Yes. Yes. Ashwin.
So I think I'm in this course because I've been following your content, and I'm convinced that you'll show me the shortest way.
Okay. Shortest way to profit.
Yeah.
Not to exit.
Not to exit. Shortest way to
Okay,
profit.
Abhishek, you already told Ram. Abhishek Satpathy.
Yeah.
We need to give you a different name, man. We have two Abhishek. It is too confusing.
Yeah, I mean, it was a very good start. I'm hoping to, scale my business using filtering the junk lead as we discussed. That is the whole idea, and
Okay.
And to reduce the lead cost.
Deepak.
Yeah, it was very useful. Like the simple tools, the canvas goal and goal setting is important, and especially thinking about what should be Like short-term profit, long-term profit. Yeah, that is the
That is
two-way, like different way to think of it.
correct.
Yeah.
Rakesh, I think you joined late, brother, but
Yeah,
welcome
yeah,
again.
it's really excited.
Profit. What is the profit?
Profit. Yeah, yeah. So
What is today's
that is
profit?
what my goal. Like I have to make it, and I'll make it happen.
Okay. Smita ji, Sumita ji, thanks for joining. And
Uh,
I think you are into network marketing, right?
Yes, and I would like what I want to learn from this course is how to filter leads and how to develop them as leaders. Because I
Okay.
think in the beginning you said that you have some experience of multi-level marketing also, like
Yes.
you learned sales from MLM. So I'm
2002, my first customer when I started a software company in Bhubaneswar was a MLM guy.
okay.
And
So
he's still my customer.
actually, if I tell you, Sanjay and myself, both of us work for a Swedish cosmetic company and wellness company called Oriflame.
Okay,
Right?
okay.
And we are looking forward to taking our journey forward online. We
Okay.
have already been in this business in the last 25 years.
Awesome.
And like I quit my job to do this, and I'm looking forward to more people joining our team and we developing them. So
Okay.
we want to reach out to maximum people this way.
Surely, ma'am. So what is the profit you got today?
Profit that my mind is open now. I'm looking forward to new ideas to develop leaders and to find out the leaders from the market.
So it
Awesome.
opened like a parachute, Sumita.
Okay. Good to see. I think who inspired whom to join?
Sanjay inspired me to join. Sanjay is actually my brother-in-law.
Okay. Actually, संजय जी आपको अलग से मैं घूस दे दूंगा, ठीक है? उसको हमारे टर्म में एफिलिएट कमीशन बोलते हैं. ओके, MLM में तो वो इनकम ही है. दर्पण
से चलता है.
Correct. दर्पण, you got into the funnel, our funnel, in the last moment. After that, पूरा दरवाजा बंद हो गया. So how do you feel? You took a right decision?
Yes, definitely. I mean, since the start, the presentation that you showed about trying, I related to it a very, in a nice way.
Right.
So I'm sure I'll be able to do a lot of things here.
Yes. Yes. Shahul spoke to me yesterday on chat and he needed some clarification. Please open your camera or mic. Shahul, what is your profit for the day?
Okay, so I am doing the profit, Facebook ads previously, but I did not use that Canvas and all. So the Canvas will show is a new thing for me. So I have to work out on that Canvas thing.
Great. Satyam?
Yeah, so today I learned a lot of things. Thank you so much.
Profit. आज का profit.
Okay, आज का profit ये है कि first we have to set a mind goal.
Mindset.
Okay, mindset, which is most important.
Yes.
And from the chart sheet which you have prepared, that is really helpful for us. So we can from starting to end, like from client perspective also, we have to know like what are the difficulties they are facing and how can we make all the things. This is a really great session.
Okay. Anyone who has some other things to do, please don't feel bad. You can carry on. But I would love to take feedback from people who have not yet given feedback. This is a good start for me. I feel encouraged. I'm not asking you to go, but if you have something else urgent to do, please carry on. Otherwise, please wait. I will finish in another 5 minutes. Madhur, feedback, please. Karan.
Sorry, the session was very good.
Profit for the day.
Profit for the day is like I developed the profit mindset. That's the biggest big time profit.
Okay. Start well begun is half done. Karan bhai, batao.
Of course, the best thing was the lean thing. That
lean canvas.
The
goal.
And
okay.
of course, and the team thing. The outsource.
Okay.
When you should do that. When you should do it yourself, and when you should give it to others to do it.
Right.
That was, of course, the profit.
Right. Sachin?
So for me, that sheet was no doubt very important because we generally talk about the goals, but we never quantify it on the sheet actually. and we start just before the campaign. We have to plan. We start doing the things. So that is a big takeaway for me. As such, we generate a good number of leads. So I have worked with two brands where we have generated more than 5 to 10 lakh leads every month. But yes, the main problem comes out with the sales team and the call center. They come up with the new thing that the lead is not of good quality, and then again you go back and then you keep on looking which is working, which is not. So same as we keep on finding those things. Okay, sometimes it happens, okay, Facebook is working, sometimes Facebook is not working. So what are those things? So obviously, to begin with, quantifying the goal is most important, and also the time actually. So which you mentioned, like, okay, what is the time you are looking for that? So that is most important, I feel.
Right. Thank you, Sachin. Devashish Mishra.
Sir, thank you for the session, sir. It was excellent, and actually, that I learned about that business plan, one sheet plan, and actually, excellent. I actually failed one business from last 1 year back, and I learned from this session that plan before what you are doing about your business. That is most important.
Yes, all of us, like, if you ask all the businessmen, they might have failed in different magnitude. कोई बड़ा छोटा product level में, marketing level में, campaign level में, ad set level में, ad level में कहीं ना कहीं fail होते हैं. That is not a problem, okay? So marketing point of view, संजय जी, ad campaign है, ad set है, ads है ना? तो हम कहीं ना कहीं fail होते हैं. So that is not a problem. Raj, I couldn't recognize you. राज कौन है भाई? Can you open your mic? अयाज अहमद, आप कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हैं? हेलो
हेलो
या आप सुन रहे थे आज? Like how was the, like how was it for you? Like any takeaway आज का profit? Hello? Yes, we can hear you.
Hello, it was very good.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Please go ahead and tell. बोलिए.
हेलो.
Yes, we can hear you.
प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा था.
आज का क्या मतलब एक चीज जो कि आप यूज कर सकते हो अपने बिजनेस में?
फेसबुक के रिलेटेड मुझे जानना था.
कल से फुल फ्लेजेड फेसबुक का स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग. जी. रोशन भाई, when did you join? I didn't notice, sorry. But what is your takeaway for today?
Hey, hi guys. Hello, Shivram sir. How are you?
Hi.
Actually, I joined it very late, so I can't comment on the entire session. But I really looking forward to watch the entire video after this.
Surely.
After this, so definitely looking forward to it.
Surely, I'll share the video also recording if you need to. And thank you for being here, guys. Thank you for your time. Time is the biggest energy of God, because if time is lost, you cannot get it back. So time is an energy. Time is an energy actually. So thanks for giving your time, and I really appreciate. Looking forward to see you tomorrow at 7. Before that, I'll share that sheet today. Tomorrow's checklist, what to do before you come to the session, that also I will say. And tomorrow onwards, you'll be using that learning platform to revise stuff, get ebooks kind of stuff, checklist, all this kind of stuff. Samir is there in this group, so I'll tag him in the WhatsApp group. If you're facing any technical difficulty related to this platform, or getting access or anything, he will sort it out. Okay, thanks again. Have a good night, and let's have a rocking week ahead. Thank you so much again. Bye. Good night. Thank you for your time again.
Good night.
Bye.
Thank you, Shivram.
Thank you, Ashwin. Hope you find it useful, and we can make it better.
Sure.
Sure.
I'm going to do
Thank
the
you.
work which you asked us to do now.
Yeah. I'm sharing it right away.
Yeah. I'll
Right
do it
away.
right away.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes. Bye.
Okay. See you
Close.
tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Closing this Zoom.